Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to remove the background of an image with Phosus. So, let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head to Phosus.com. If you are new to the world of Phosus, don't fret. I recommend watching my in-depth video guide titled Getting Started with Phosus. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up your account seamlessly. However, if you are already well acquainted with the platform, simply log in to access your customized dashboard. Since I'm already logged in, let's dive straight into the action. Find and click on the dashboard button, conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. Now, take a moment to explore your dashboard. It's a creative hub filled with a wide array of powerful tools designed to elevate your image editing experience. To embark on our background removal journey, navigate to the left sidebar and select Tools. Alternatively, if you prefer a more relaxed scroll, just continue downwards until you stumble upon the feature we are eager to use, Background Removal. With a click on Background Removal, you will step into the realm of image enhancement. It's time to choose the photo you want to enhance. You have two convenient options here. You can either upload your image with a simple click or streamline the process further by effortlessly dragging and dropping your chosen image into the designated area. Once you have selected your image, let Phosus take the reins as it begins the background removal process automatically. Now, let us address a key factor: patience. The speed of this process depends on your internet connection. For those fortunate enough to have high-speed internet, the transformation will occur in the blink of an eye. However, if your internet connection is on the slower side, don't worry. The exceptional results you'll achieve are well worth a brief wait. And there you have it. Your image has been flawlessly relieved of its background. Take a moment to admire your photo. Now, clean and ready for whatever creative purpose you have in mind. But wait, there's one final step. Downloading your enhanced masterpiece. A simple click on the download button will prompt Phosus to efficiently save your enhanced image to your device. It is important to remember that each download consumes some credits, so it's wise to use them thoughtfully. Enjoy your beautifully edited images and revel in the newfound freedom of creativity that Phosus offers. That's it! You have successfully learned how to remove the background from an image with Phosus. Whether you are a photography enthusiast, a professional graphic designer, or someone who simply enjoys enhancing images, Phosus is a versatile tool that can take your creations to the next level. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips, and keep exploring the boundless possibilities of image editing with Phosus. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.